Look what I did. I busted a pager. Look. I busted them. There was two of them, actually. And I busted them. Look. I busted them all apart. Look. Here's the back of it and the wires hanging out of it. And it's got a circuit board on it. Yeah, look. I busted two pagers. I busted them both up in little pieces. Look. Look what I did to these pagers. I busted them. Look at that. I busted them both. Well, there you go. That is it for two busted up pagers. Please like, comment, and subscribe for two pagers that I busted all up in pieces. Let me know if you thought that was cool or not.